Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get the Mewing pin in Brawl Stars, right? How you can do this, so you have to just go and open your Brawl Stars here, and then you can just go and click on this option where you can buy stuff, right? So let's go here, and I can just go there and I can buy stuffs here. And Mewing is just an emote, so actually it's not available for free. You can only buy it from the store. So let's go here, and for example here, right? So I have to just go and buy the stuffs which is available. So you can only do this when you want to buy it up. So now if you just tap your icon or the picture of the human which you are trying to play, you can just go and select here, and then you can just go and click on here, right? And you will get the different characters here, as well as the different emotes and pins are available right now. And this is a player pin, so from here you can get this Mewing one. So it's only available, this pin or this emote is only available when you purchase it. So you can only purchase it when the offer is available to you guys, and this is a limited time period, so you can purchase it from there. Then only you will able to get this Mewing pin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.